Yeah, patch me in. I've got to talk to the big man. Well, they aren't exactly a man, but you know what I'm saying. I hate my job. Here you go. All set up. I hear these video calls tend to get a little weird, so have fun, I guess. Yes, thank you. Ivo, where are we? Home, of course. Ivory Stronghold.
Ah, Ivory, you made it back.
Well, you're damn right I did.
What's the language? Now, how was it?
It was pretty easy. Really cold, though. I think...
Yeah, that's nice. What did you learn?
They plan on building some sort of device that would take the scrapyards to engines instead of vice versa. Other than that, I didn't get much intel. I did find Samson, though. Oh, hello. What the? Why did you do that?
We can't let him know about our secret operations. Now fuel up and take him home. Alert us once you have, and we'll wake him up.
Oh, right. Will do.
Thank you. I'll be off now. The screen turns to black. Do you think he knows? We'll have to take things to phase 2.
Right then. A fine-looking engine like yourself shouldn't be out here in the cold. Let's get you home. Business. The next you're washing ashore after being beaten down by a boat with a face. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is all my fault. What do you mean? I'm the one that dragged you into this mess. When I first found you that day in the war, you were so scared. And now look what Master's manipulation has done. It isn't that bad. Just not that bad. You're a serial killer, Justin. An assassin. Yeah, I guess you're right there. It's only us now. 2 empty shells. No hopes, dreams, motivations. Only a sliver of sense. It's all my fault. Look, I know there's still some good left in you. You cared about Steve and Hat, after all, when we blew up the base. The Master and Gerard blew up my rig, and somebody like that isn't somebody I'd want to work for. What do you say? Shall we strive for a future of greatness? Well, you may be very right about that. You're also very wrong. What are you... I have very clear motivations. Wait a second.
Ah, good morning, Ivo Hug.
Actually, it's pronounced Hugh, and who are you and how do you know me?
It says on your side tanks in massive print. Oh, and let me introduce myself. I'm Brad. I was one of those engines that you helped fight off all those diesels that one time.
Oh, I remember you.
Really?
No. You okay there, Ivo? We killed a tiny sailboat. Oh, well, we don't know that for sure. Frank is dead. Again, we don't... Ivo, wait! I really should go after him.
Hold on, not so fast. We've got to get uncoupled from this diesel first.
Hey, I have a name, you know. It's Harry.
Oh, sorry.
Now that Harry is out of commission, we'll need to find another engine for this morning's express run.
Yep, too bad we don't have one of those.
I don't mean to brag, but I am streamlined.
Okay, your point?
I'm a very fast engine.
Would that work? He washed up on the beach yesterday morning, and we've only recently fixed his minimal damage. He doesn't know the line yet either.
I know a little bit. I have been here before.
The line has changed quite a bit since then, but it's not like we have a choice.
Well, the points are already set and the coaches are waiting.
Excellent. Let's go, Hudson.
Actually, it's Connor.
Sure thing, Caitlin.
You'll have to forgive Brad. He's aiming to be a comedian, but his aim is a little off.
It's called the American Dream, because you have to be asleep to believe it.
More like all off.
That's funny, Brad. It's nice to meet another 08. I haven't seen the others in a while. Thomas, Percy, Harvey, 089. I wonder what they're up to. What happened?
Some of your injuries will heal over time, but most will leave scars. Aside from that eye there, it's completely beyond repair. You blacked out moments after impact. We've been sailing back and forth while Cuba makes his deliveries.
And you didn't wake me up?
Everybody needs their rest. Even if said somebody is the one that unknowingly ruined your life.
I see. Wait, what?
What's the point anymore? I've been waiting years, and when the day finally comes, I'm beaten down by the very force that made me vengeful in the first place.
You aren't making any sense.
You are 089, the 9th 08, but technically, you're the 10th.
But I told you you're not making any sense. You're telling me that...
I knew you had to fail at some point. They tell you you're unstoppable, but that's a lie. The same lie they told me.
What?
Yes.
What?
I am the original 089. Huh. Didn't see that one coming.
No sweat, really. All the points are set. It's a simple passenger run through the country. Just stop at every station. Signs will tell you where they are.
Okay. It's just I haven't pulled a passenger train in a while.
Oh, how long?
9 years.
9. What? What have you been doing for the past decade?
I've been asking myself that same question.
Huh. Speaking of questions, what's up with your tender? It's completely different from the rest.
Oh, this isn't technically mine. It's just a spare from your works. Mine was lost at sea.
Maybe you could ask someone here where you can find a new one. Chance is very knowledgeable on railways and history. Ask him.
Oh, wow! A New York Central J3A Dreyfus Hudson. I thought all the Hudsons were gone, but here one is. In real life. Wait a moment. You must be...
Hi there. I'm...
Connor, I know! You're quite famous from where I come from, with your turquoise livery, streamlined casing, and... Oh, wait. What happened to your tender?
It was lost at sea. Do you know if I can get a new one somewhere?
I'm sorry, Connor. Since all of your class is not, in service, they don't make your parts anymore. The only way would be for a new set of blueprints to be drawn.
Looks like you'll be having a Fowler tender a little longer than you expected.
Don't feel bad, Connor. I heard you haven't pulled passengers in a while.
Yeah, that's true.
I see. Don't sweat it, Connor. I expect a great ride. Best get to my seat now.
You literally just contradicted your own statement. Good luck, Hudson.
Frank, how could I be so careless? That stupid professor and his gang are responsible for this. I swear I'll make them pay, even if it's the last thing I ever do. Now, your first mission in eliminating the remaining Diesel Army soldiers and sympathizers will be difficult, but I know you and Connor can do it. Keep an eye out for this engine in particular, Andy. He may seem like a normal Diesel, as he wasn't involved in the brainwashing, but he may prove to be a more dangerous foe than you'll ever face. So he's been here all along. Not on my watch. I'm coming for you, and... Connor! Hey, Ivo! You're taking a train? But it's been so long. I know. It's fun.
Well, I know that it hasn't been easy, and I haven't always been around to say the right words or to hold you in the down. I know I never showed you much of a good time, but baby, things are gonna change. I'm gonna make up for all of the hurt I brought. I'm gonna love away all your pain. And tomorrow's gonna be a brighter day. There's gonna be some changes tomorrow. Gonna be a brighter day. This time you can believe me. No more crying in your lonely room, and no more empty nights. For tomorrow morning everything will turn out right. Well, there's something that I've gotta tell you. Yes, I've got something on my mind. But words come hard when you're lying in my arms, and when I'm looking deep.
Oh, I need to take these items back to the mainland. You two want to get off here? Alright then.
Perhaps we could get some sort of cloth? I'm pretty sure I bled my eye out.
Cuba, what's in these crates? Clothing material, I think. Ah! It's not your fault. I say, Connor, that was an excellent ride.
Oh, why, thank you, sir.
Indeed. Look at that! Bang on time, I'd say.
Huh, bang on time. I like it, and it sounds oddly familiar. Thank you, mister. Oh. Huh. I thought the warship family was taken out of service after what became of D199. Ivo? Don't worry, Connor! I'm gonna stop Andy! What's Andy got to do with anything? He's with Professor's gang, and they're responsible for us landing here and for Frank's death. I don't know. This place isn't that bad. And besides, are we sure that Frank is dead? Ugh, Connor, I know we're both sad about it, but we can't refuse to believe it didn't happen. Ivo, Don't worry, I'll stop him. Then we can let Frank rest in peace. That's it. Turn around, Andy. I've got a little surprise for you.
Huh? Who's there?
Oh, you're stronger than you look! Well then, Andy, if you want to put up a fight, then fine by me!
What are you talking about?
You may not have been directly responsible for Frank's death, but I know you were with Professor's gang. One crook is as good as another!
Oi, what's going on here? This puffball giving you trouble, mate?
Yes, Dennis. He was.
You listen here, you big tomato on wheels. I don't know who you are, nor do I care, but I don't appreciate when people come into my yard and make an assault at my mates.
You don't understand! His friends killed Frank! I'll make you both pay!
Easy there, lad. You have been through a bit lately, but there is no need to take it out on our poor friend D261 here.
You're telling me.
Wait. D261. I thought you were Andy.
If you're referring to my maniac of a brother, then no, I am not Andy.
Oh, but you look so similar to him.
We are similar liveries and are both part of the warship family. But I can assure you we are very, very different.
It's because we're diesels, isn't it?
What? No,
Just because a majority of us were forced into the steam genocide doesn't mean that we're gonna do it again. That was a decade ago.
I know, but you were with him, and I thought you were Andy, so I assumed...
Oh, assuming now, are you? You assume I'm a wanted criminal? You assume that I'm a disgrace because of my power source?
Not at all, I just...
Fine then, you arrogant ministry scum. Make a mockery of my kind. Don't ever assume. It makes an ass out of you and me.
I've only just got here and everybody hates me. I just hope Connor's faring better than I am.
Ah, cheer up, Ivo. I've got the job that you can help me with. Besides, anything's better than wandering around the railway alone.
I guess you're right.
Don't guess. Don't assume either.
So I'm just you. Is that really why I was made?
You're telling me you don't know?
No. I'm very much aware of what I was made for, and what the others were meant to be modified for.
Oh. Guess you aren't as stupid as you look.
What?
I mean, I'm weird and all, but you have a green smoke box. That's quite unusual.
I didn't get this until my overhaul a little while ago. I wanted something different, you know?
Different. Exactly what you were supposed to be. They hated me, and all I did was open my eyes to the truth.
The truth.
Think about it, Zero. They kidnapped engines from their homes, brainwashed them, attempted to train them for combat, and it ended up a massive failure. All I did was realize this was wrong and confront them about it. They said I was the worst of them all. They said I wasn't worthy. I tried for the longest time to prove them wrong, and it turned me into this. But now, I've taken down another with me. I've struck down their favorite. I eliminated Artamas the tank engine.
And what did that solve?
Oh, well, I don't know anymore. And no matter how hard I try, I just can't move on. I can't. I've been obsessing over this for years, and now that I'm back, I failed now more than ever before. All because of you.
Whoa! Settle down. Don't drag him into this. Now I see why they hated you.
This is the final stop for today. I'll be docked here until morning.
I think I know what you're doing.
Didn't you hear me before?
Back during our fight on the cliff, you possessed me. For a brief instant, I saw something. I saw everything.